Tandon, reading today's news related to UPSC exams. Before going into the news, I request you all to subscribe our channel. Also like, share and comment my video.
Governance. Smart Performance Appraisal Report Recording Online Window. Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor launched the online portal Smart Performance Appraisal Report Recording Online Window for Jammu and Kashmir Administrative Service Officers. This Sparrow system will benefit around 1,289 officers and is aimed at bringing more transparency, avoiding loss of appraisal reports during transition, ensuring better monitoring and timely completion of performance appraisals of JKAS officers. Using the Sparrow system, an applicant can file APER from anywhere and anytime. It is expected to make the process seamless, quick and convenient due to inbuilt alert mechanisms and providing online status checks. National Tribal Research Conclave. Union Minister for Tribal Affairs Sri Arjun Munda virtually inaugurated the 2-day National Tribal Research Conclave. It will review progress on the outcome of various projects being implemented under Defence Partnership, and the best practices will be showcased to all participants. The conclave has been organized by the Center of Excellence for Tribal Affairs, Ministry of Tribal Affairs and Indian Institute of Public Administration. National Institute for Tribal Research is being set up in partnership with IIPA and IIPA premises in Delhi. Tribal research helps not only to make an effort on the anthropological aspects of tribal life and culture, but also help to achieve the goal Mera Van Mera Dhan, Mera Udayam. Since forests are not only important for environment, but play a major role in tribal livelihoods. Ministry of Tribal Affairs is funding 26 tribal research institutes for research under grant to TRIs and is engaged in quality research in collaboration with reputed government and non-government organizations spread over the country. IIT Roorkee signs MOU with National Institute of Urban Affairs, Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee and National Institute of Urban Affairs signed a memorandum of understanding to collaborate in the areas like universal design principles and inclusive development of the building accessible, safe, inclusive Indian cities program of NIUA. This is the collaboration of IITR and NIUA in field policy research, technical support, knowledge creation and dissemination and in initiatives like research, capacity development and others. International Relations. FAO's 34th Asia Pacific Regional Conference meeting. The 35th session of the Food and Agriculture Organization Regional Conference for Asia and the Pacific, hosted by Bhutan at Thimphu, which was held from 1 to 4 September 2020 through Zoom video conferencing platform amid COVID-19 pandemic and associated public health concerns. It was held to plan responses and recovery work to address the twin pandemic with COVID-19 and hunger. Discussions were also held regarding the state of agriculture, natural resource management, food security and nutrition. Swayam scheme. The government of Assam relaunched its old scheme Swami Vivekananda Assam Youth Empowerment worth ₹1,000 crore. The scheme is aimed to provide self-employment opportunities to more than 2 lakh youths of the state. Redesign. Swayam will provide around ₹50,000 as a seed money to start a business venture to a qualified beneficiaries. Kesavanda Bharati versus State of Kerala. The case was heard by a bench of 13 judges, the largest formed in the Supreme Court, the sole unwitting petitioner in the historic fundamental rights case which prevented the nation from slipping into a totalitarian remained passed away at 80. The Kesavanda Bharati judgment innovated the basic structure doctrine which limited Parliament's power to make drastic amendments that may affect the core values enshrined in the Constitution like secularism and federalism. The verdict upheld the power of the Supreme Court to judicially review laws of Parliament. It evolved the concept of separation of powers among the three branches of government, legislative, executive, and the judiciary. Science and technology. Starlink satellites. SpaceX launched 60 Starlink satellites to provide faster internet. These satellites launched in the lower orbit will enhance the high-speed broadband internet on Earth and increase the internet access in the low coverage area where setting up of on-ground towers are difficult. Reusable experimental spacecraft. China launched a reusable experimental spacecraft on a long March 2F carrier rocket from the Jiuquan Satellite Launch Center in northwestern Chinese region in Mongolia. The spacecraft will return to a predetermined landing site in China after a period of in-orbit operation. It will test reusable technologies during its flight, providing technological support for the peaceful use of space.
Thank you for watching my video. Today's PPT is given in the description box. Hope you all enjoyed our channel. Once again I repeat, please subscribe our channel. Also like, share and comment my video. See you tomorrow.